We're headed to the new house. See that? That's the first thing we're going to bring. That's sugar, rice, and salt. And I'm going to tell you more about what that is later.
What that means?
What that means later. We're here. We're gonna enter the house, and the first thing we'll bring is sugar, and this is for Harmony, salt to get rid of all the negative energy, and rice for the never-ending food. We're gonna bring this to the kitchen. Oh wait, the kitchen's right there. Wow. Next toilet. Okay, kitchen. Wow. Ta-da! Put it in the middle. How do you like your new kitchen? We're just gonna look around the house, I guess. And then we're gonna move in a little bit. Not today. We're just gonna look at the house today and see what we need to do, like change the locks and everything. Yeah? Welcome. Let's go in. Ta-da. Yeah. Okay. Stairs. Good feng shui. It doesn't face the door. I'm gonna take this carpet out. This is my future office. Future office. Yay!
Let's go upstairs.
Look at that. Put it right here. Put it right here. Let's see. And should have brought my warm side.
Sandali lang ang ilaw. Ang ilaw ng chandelier.
We're trying to figure out all the switches to see which one turns on what. It's my sister enjoying her new library. It's gonna be where all her Harry Potter books are. in that one shelf. Where do I put my turtles? Sunshine. No, not yet. I'm trying to find a place for my turtles. Let's go outside for a bit and let's look at the pond. I don't want to be locked out, but get the cold in. This is the pond. My mom's gonna be putting the fish in here. Ooh, pretty big pond. That's well, we can put them right there. It is cold out here. It's cold. Gonna be our dining room. Oh, yeah. That pantry where all the food's gonna be. Food. Food. Are these real pumpkins? They left their pumpkins. Think this is real? Nope. No, at least we got ice. What's in here? Oh, more stuff.
You can spin.
Ooh, spin. Oh yeah. Wow. Secret spice rack. What is it? Oh, there's a remote control for what?
I don't.
Kitch, iKitch. Yeah, start pushing it.
Just push it like catch.
Right, let me see. Oh, you gotta turn it on. Let's see what.
What if you turn it on? It's like.
Oh, no, it turns on. Whoa, you got a remote control. That's why you don't cook. The thing that
air vent.
sucks out the smoke. Yeah, air vent. Oh, how do you turn it off? Okay, that's cool. Yeah. This is a light. Ooh. Oh, cool. Mood lighting for cooking. The sunroom. Sister already cleaning. It's my mom's birthday and we are cleaning the house.
I need a raise.
Yeah. Mom's 80's a race.
I need a raise.
You got a little bar table over here in the living room. Oh.
Hold on. Let's go upstairs.
Oh. Yeah. Okay. Okay, this is the rooms. Now we're gonna change out the carpet and we're gonna put hardwood here. And this is like the master's bedroom. It's a little balcony out here. Oh, we didn't get the keys to this.
Oh, where's the key?
Oh yeah, we do. Pretty good size. Ta-da. Yeah.
This is my walk-in closet.
Yeah. Huh? It's my mom's walk-in closet. What is this? Oh. Guess that's your outfit of the day.